All right, let's look at the crypto market there. Well, Laddie, what's up?
Well, we're having a Green Friday, unusually, but it's still a mixed sentiment with a couple of major caps there in the red. Stable coins also in the red, but Ethereum is above the 2,000 region this morning. Market cap 1.34 trillion, up about 3.09%. That's for the total crypto market. 24-hour volume is down 15% this morning. We have Bitcoin dominance at 45.55%. Price of Bitcoin 32,592, up by 1.85% this morning. 24-hour volume trading Bitcoin $20.38 billion. Let's bring in Michael Inaji now, digital market analyst. Hello, Michael. Thank God it's Friday and thank God it's green.
Hello, Letty. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. Good morning. Well, 80 plus countries, have are in talks to launch, CBDCs, and here in Nigeria, the central bank is projecting to launch in October. What do you know about this?
Yeah, so Nigeria, they're hoping to launch this CBDC. Effectively, I think they're going to be calling it Giant. It's going to be a derivative. It's going to be made off the Hyperledger blockchain. So basically, the goal for them is to mostly help bank the unbanked. And what I mean by that is everyone in Nigeria knows that our banking infrastructure is nascent at best. You go to an ATM and you wait for you can wait up to 20 minutes if you're lucky, or sometimes some people send people to go to ATMs because just the lines are too long. So overall, Nigeria does not have enough banking infrastructure. We don't have enough ATMs. We don't have enough physical banks. So Nigeria has a unique chance here to what's called leapfrog. Effectively, when the mobile phone came, we had Nitel, but we leapfrogged. We went into the future. We didn't need all the mobile phone lines. And the CBN is effectively hoping now that they can recreate that. They don't have to build all the banking services and all the banks that we would have needed. We can use effectively a CBDC. And the thing about CBDCs is you can run monetary and physical policy all at the same time because everyone has a unique, basically a wallet address, and it can help with things like remittances. So effectively, like let's say you wanted to send USD over, you can now have like a Naira account where the CBN can deposit the money for you. And for the CBN, it definitely does remove a lot of the principal agent problems where people come and there's some graft in the currency exchange. Basically, having a CBDC coming, it really does tighten up the economy a lot for the Nigerian government and how they can control it. And overall, it's net good because at the end of the day, Nigeria has one of the most unbanked populations in the world. Yeah. And anything that we can do to move that goalpost is better for everyone.
Okay, looking at CBDCs generally, do you think they'll have limited supply like Bitcoin?
No, I think the CBDCs will be just exactly like what we have today. At the central bank's whim, at the CBN's whim, they will be able to edit the supply. They'll be able to increase the supply. Also, another unique feature about CBDCs is it allows the CBN to basically say, oh, you can't spend the money that we give you on or drugs, alcohol, whatever it is. If we give you that money, it's to only spend it on food or whatever it is. Effectively, you can tell people what they can spend their money on. And if they spend it on something counter to what you need, you effectively can burn the currency. So ultimately, it gives the CBN more tools to basically financially tighten up the economy, whatever is physical or monetary policy that they wanted to do.
Okay. All right, Michael, very quickly now, this bounce we see in the market, is it going to be sustainable or is it some kind of dead cat bounce?
100% you're right. This is a dead cat bounce. We could see like a relief rally to 40K, but that's quite improbable. This is more likely a dead cat bounce. I still believe 25 to 20K, like we said earlier, is still intact. And it's on the horizon. This is like we're trying to kill a giant whale, so it's going to take some time. It's going to come up for air like it's alive, but overall, the whale's going to come down and we're going to slay it about 20K.
Okay, all right, Michael. Always great to have you. Have a great weekend.
Thank you so much. You too, Laddie.
Thank you. All right, Chimmy, there you have it. It's looking good. Top alt by market cap. We see XRP is the biggest mover there, up 3% at 60 cents. Binance Coin, $298, up about 2.22%, even though a lot of regulatory clampdown is coming on BNB, but it is holding head above water.
Let's just hope that those greens that we're seeing there will enter into
The weekend.
the weekend.
Right.
And of course, I do agree with what Michael said there. Hopefully, I mean, the central bank would have, made provision for capacity to actually go about this, digital currency that they are trying to come up with, so that it doesn't become a mess.
Exactly.
If I'll put it that way.